All right, here we go. The bathroom test. RC boating, stage 1. So far, all we've done to the boat is taken it out of the box, putting it together. Bought a little better battery power for the boat itself, so instead of the 15-minute run time, we should get about 45. They'd already stuck the stickers on the windshield, so when I got the boat, just went ahead and taped it off and spray painted them black. Alright, let's see. Got my boy Folk playing standby.
What up?
We're gonna go ahead and. You got her on over there, Folk?
It's on.
Alright, let's give it a little juice.
Oh, that's just a little juice.
Nice!
Alright,
Alright.
so it looks like it's...
Word.
Yeah, that's
Video 1.